Hi friends, welcome back to Spring Cleaning, your 14-day movement challenge. Today is day 11, let go. So meet me at the back of your mat, and when you're ready, come down into a child's pose. Hips towards heels, hands and elbows down on the mat, forehead is rested on something, whether it be the mat, a blanket, a pillow. Relax the jaw, relax the shoulders. Inhale, let the belly rise. And exhale, let everything go. Good, come up. Look towards the hands. Roll over the hands. Let the legs stretch out long and lift the chest for Sphinx pose. Bring the shoulders onto the back body. And let's roll out the ankles, starting with the right foot. Just making circles with the toes one way. And then the left foot. Doing what feels good in your ankle. Good, release. And just breathe in this beautiful Sphinx pose. If you want something deeper at this time, you can straighten your arms or come up into upward dog. Close the eyes here. Start to drop the chest, come up onto the toes. Exhale, lift the knees, plank, and downward facing dog. Hips up and back, heels drawing down towards the mat. No pressure if they don't get there. Ears in between triceps. Inhale, lift that right leg up. And exhale, you're going to draw those toes towards the left, the space to your left. Open, stack the hips, square out the shoulders, and start to make big circles with your right knee. One way, and then switching other way. Inhale, three-legged dog, and exhale, right knee towards right hand and right ankle towards left hand for pigeon pose. Untuck the toes, and you can stay lifted through the spine. Notice how your hips feel, how tight you are on this side of the body. And if you feel ready, you can come down onto the forearms, maybe dropping the head all the way down, using a block, blanket, pillow, or a book to keep lifted in the head. Inhale and exhale. Let everything go. We'll stay here for just a minute, really releasing that left hip. And anywhere that you feel this stretch. Release. Go ahead and move your block and step the foot back into tabletop, coming forward, dropping the chest, and inhale, lifting up in a downward facing dog. Exhale, lift the hips up and back, down dog. Really push the ground away. Inhale, lift the left leg up, and exhale, open stack the hips, drawing the foot and the toes towards the right side of the room. And if you did it on the other side, go ahead and take those big circles with your left knee. One way, and then taking it the other way. Inhale, three-legged dog, and exhale, look forward, pigeon pose. Left knee towards left wrist, and left foot towards right wrist. Untuck the toes, feel into the body. Maybe one side is tighter than the other. And maybe you just stay lifted through the chest here. Or feel free to fold over that left knee, maybe using a block, or maybe coming all the way down onto the forearms, maybe setting your head on your hands. Notice where your hips are placed here. Make sure they're squared out. Pull the left hip back and right hip forward. Inhale and exhale into any of those spots that feel tense. Release. Come onto the hands. And when you're ready, step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Maybe you come onto the right fingertips. Test your balance here, your 2-point dog. Maybe you bring that right hand into an airplane mode. Keep your hips squared out. Keep lifting through that left leg. And exhale, bring that left foot towards the right side of your mat for Wild Thing. Left arm up and over. Relax the head. Good. Ground down through that right hand. Keep pushing the floor away. Start to bring the left knee up and towards the chest and step it forward. Bring that right arm up. Maybe you come onto the left fingertips. Maybe you decide to take a quick bind, wrapping and clasping the hands behind the left thigh. Drop the left fingertips down. Straighten out through the left leg, bringing your right arm up for a quick stretch before we move into half moon. So bend into that left knee, set the fingertips forward and lift up through the right leg. Good. Ground down through all four corners of the left foot and hold. On your next inhale, start to bend deeply into the left knee and set the right foot back for Warrior 2. Inhale and exhale, reverse your warrior. Left arm up and over, right hand finds somewhere along the right leg. Let's take eagle arms in our Warrior 2. So right elbow over left elbow, palms find each other. And you start to round the back. Exhale, inhale, lift the gaze, lift the hands. Exhale, round. Inhale to lift. Good. Exhale, round. And release. Warrior 2. Frame out the left foot. Come onto the right toes. Plank. Exhale, chaturanga. And inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, roll over the feet, down dog. And breathe. Relax for just a second, and we'll take it to the other side. So lift through the right leg, three-legged dog. Maybe you come on to the left fingertips, or bring the left arm to airplane. Lift up through the right leg. Good. Set the left hand down, wild thing. Lift the gaze, relax the neck. Inhale, lift up through the right leg, draw it in towards the chest, and exhale, set it forward on the outside of your right hand. Lift the left arm up. Maybe you come onto the right fingertips, and maybe you take the bind behind the body. Lift the gaze. Release, straighten out through the right leg. Lift the left arm up. Good. Shift your right hands forward, fingertips forward, ground down through the right foot, and lift the left leg up for half moon. Root down through the right foot, start to bend the right knee, and gently set the left foot down. Warrior 2. Reverse your warrior, exhale, and inhale, warrior 2. Eagle arms on this side, left elbow over right elbow, palms find each other, exhale, and inhale, lift the gaze. Exhale, round the spine, inhale, lift. Keep bending through that right knee. Good, release, warrior 2. Frame out the left foot, the right foot. Chaturanga, inhale, upward facing dog. Engage the glutes, pull the shoulders onto the back body. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Good. Time to slow it way down very quickly. Inhale, drop the knees down to the mat. Stay tucked onto the toes, and exhale, set the hips back. Let's roll out the wrists, clasp the hands together. Start to make tiny circles one way and then the other. Release. Take an inhale and an exhale. Good. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. If you need to untuck the toes, feel free to do so. We're on our feet all day. This is a beautiful stretch and reset for the whole body. Keep the eyes closed here if they're not already. Gently roll over the feet. Maybe you stay on the toes and shift the knees one way and the other. Or maybe you bring your feet as wide as your mat and sit the hips down for your yogi squat. You can always keep your hands grounded towards the mat here. Or if you want something a little deeper, you can push the knees away with your elbows. Lift the chest. Keep your gaze neutral. Release the hands if they're not down there already. Walk the knees out wide, bring feet together, set the hips back, and gently drop the hands, the forearms, and the forehead down to the mat. For the last pose, practice child's pose. Let the belly fill the space between the thighs on every inhale, and on every exhale, let it all go. You showed up today. You did it. Thank yourself for being on your mat. Keep breathing. Keep noticing how you feel on the mat and as you go about your day or your evening. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.